So this was a Saturday and it had been raining all day and the sun came out and I took an opportunity. Well, I actually had to go fix something at the radio station, but then I went out and I flew. And I went down a trail I went down the other day, which on the right side of the trail took you to a small lake. Well, I decided to take the left side of the trail today and we're going to see what happens. Turns out that the left side of the trail turns into a, I would assume, bike path. There are little hills, moguls, even a couple of ramps. And what happens, as you watch on the video here, about a minute into my flight, that I am going at normal speed, not terribly fast, but I'm trying to keep it low to the ground. This is the whole idea of FPV flying, is to get close to things. So knowing that if I did crash, I would be able to walk down the trail and get the drone, I started down this path. And as you'll see, it forks to the left, and the left becomes, I would assume, a BMX bike path. So as I'm zooming down this path and trying to avoid the little hills, because I didn't expect these to be there, I should have probably walked this or flown this at a higher level before I tried to do it fairly fast. I go around a ramp over here, and either I overcorrected or it didn't overcorrect enough, and you see what happens. Now, I have my settings set that it only records when the propellers are going, so there's no footage of the turtle mode. But when you crash in a DJI drone, it says, crash detected or impact detected, would you like to activate turtle mode? Well, turtle mode was activated, it flipped itself over, I started the motors, I took off, and as you'll see, I flew for another 5 minutes. The drone was fine. I did 2 more flights this night before I went back home. So enjoy the rest of the flight as I go back through the trail. I go a little higher. This was about 8 in the evening and I have a lower ND filter on just so I knew I was going to fly above the trees and hopefully get some sunset. But it clouded up more than I expected, and this is the rest of the flight. Thank you for watching.